Well, hey guys, Mason here, and we're back from the trip. We had a fantastic run from the base of the Bruce Peninsula around the bottom of Algonquin Park, up the east side of the park where we spent a couple days in Mattawa running some of the VMUTS trails, and then we came back down the west side of Algonquin Park and headed home. So we're back. As you can see, I've got everything hung up to dry. We had a couple days of rain, we had a couple days of wet riding. And we had one morning where we had to pack up in the rain, and another morning where when we were packing up it was just kind of drizzling a little bit. So everything got good and wet, all the gear worked well, all the bikes ran well, and we absolutely had a blast. It was myself on the KLR 650, Shooter Tech on the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro, and Melon 1 on the CRF 250L.
Mason! Rah-rah! Yeehaw!
So the three of us this year, Benham couldn't make it, but we'll get caught up with him here later this fall. And yeah, everything went really well. As you can see, the shop is an absolute disaster, but my food and kitchen bags all washed up and repacked. And this morning the R80 got a bath. So it's hanging up out back to dry. Now it's just time to give the KLR 650 a wash. So let's go get that done. Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.
Free